welcome to the Java class. In this video I will discuss the program that is find the factorial of a number using the command line arguments. Okay, before going to the program I will just discuss what is the command line arguments. The command line arguments are arguments that are passed at the time of the running the Java program. Okay, the command arguments that passed at the time of running the Java program. Okay, so argument passed from the console can be received in Java program, and it can be used as a input. Okay, so argument passed from the console can be received in Java program, and it can be used as an output. Okay, so in this video I will execute the first program, that is find the factorial of a number using the command line arguments. Okay, so this is about the command line arguments. I will repeat the definition for the command line argument. The arguments which are passed at the time of the running the job program, so called as command line arguments. Okay, here we need to find the factorial number of using the command line arguments. Okay, so we need to pass a number as an argument at the time of the running the job program. Okay, before going to the program, I will just discuss what is the factorial. Okay, so factorial is suppose I have a number that is I will just remove this. I have a number that is 4. So factorial is 25. This is for factorial of 4. You can say 4 factorial. Okay, how to find the factorial of 4? The 4 factorial is here 4 into 3 into 2 into 5. Okay, 3 into 4 into 3 into 5. Okay, so sum is here 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 2 is 24. So here sum is so the factorial is 24. Okay, so here we need to find the factorial of number with help of the command line arguments. Okay, so this is what the factorial. Okay, next I will show you how to find the factorial of 5. Just 5 factorial. Okay, so here 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into. So factorial is here 5 into 4 is 5 into 4 is 20, 20 into 3 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120, 120 into 1 is 120. So factorial of 5 is here 120. Okay, so next, so let's move to the, so this is about the simple how to find the factorial of a particular number. So let's move to the programming section. Just open program. Okay, so I will create a class of the program one, that is program one, class program one. Okay, so inside the class program one I will create a main method. How to create main method? Only static void string args. Okay, string args. Next is I will create a variable that is int I and yes. I will assign the yes 1 to value yes. I will assign 1 to value variable yes. I will assign value 1 to variable yes. Okay, so I will create another variable that is number, that is int. So I will just pass the argument integer dot parse int. So args. So whatever you enter through the command line, the first value first value will be stored in index 0, and second value will be stored in first index, and third value will be stored in index number 2. So whatever you enter the number that will be stored in this array, this args index value 0 index value. Okay, means if you enter the 50, then it will store the index. It will store in index 0. Okay, suppose you enter two numbers, then first number will be stored in the index 0, and second number that will be stored in index 2, index 1. Okay, so next what I will do is I will use for loop for I equal to 1 and less than equal to n and I plus plus. So next what I will do, I will just s equal to s into I. Okay, so next after that I will print a message system dot out println. System dot out println. The factorial of number is so we just print the value of s. Okay, so close class close. Okay, so this is about the program. So I will repeat the program statement. I will repeat the extension. So here I have created the class that is programmer. Inside the programmer class I have declared a main method. So here I am passing the args as a parameter of type string. Here whatever you enter through the command line, or you can say that whatever you can enter through the console, that will be stored in this array, that is args. Okay, so if you enter 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1 will be stored in this array at value at index 0, and the second number will be stored in index 1, and third number will be stored in index 3. Sorry, third number will be index 2, and fourth will be stored in index 3. So on that will be stored by index values. Next is I have created a variable that is I and s. I have assigned one to variable s, and I am just getting the value from the index 0, and I will storing it into variable n. So I equal to n, and I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. I am just finding the factorial with help of the s equal to s into I. So here see the logic here. Suppose you enter you pass the 5 as a command argument, then n value will be here 5. Check the condition here. 1, I value is 1, I is less than or equal to n, means 5, n value is here 5, I plus plus. Okay, so condition is 2, the loop will come inside the control. So here s value is initially 1. Okay, yeah, here s value is 1. Here see the equation, s equal to s into I. So 1 into here I value is initially 1. So whatever result will come, that will be stored in s. So initial result is 1, so it will store in 1. Next I will be incremented by 1, so I value will become 2. Okay, so check the condition to come inside the operation. So yes, initially 1, and now I value is 2. So 1 into 2. Whatever result will come, that will store in the s value. So 2 into 2 is here, 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, so here s value is now 2. I will just okay, s value is now 2. See here next I will be increment by 1. Okay, so now I will be I value will be 3. See here 1 into, so now initially s is s is 2. Check the operations here, s into I means okay. So 2 into no value I value is 3, means okay. So 6, that will be stored in. Yes. So like this we need to find the factorial. Okay. Next whatever the value contains by the s, that will be I am printing. I am just printing the value here. Yes. Okay. So this is about the factorial number. How to show the program? We just go to the file, save program. Okay. So here class name and file name should be same. here my file name is my class name is program 1 and file name should also program 1. Program 1 dot साढ़े सात. Okay, so here I have showed the program that is program.java. Okay, here the class name and program should be seen. Okay, so I have showed in here just open command prompt. Okay, how to compile the program? So Java C, my program name is program 1 .java. Okay, so Java C program 1 .java. Okay, so there is one error that is unaccepted. Let me check here. Here I have forgot to put here semicolon. Click as Java C program 1 .java. Okay, successfully compiled. How to pass the command I will check here program 1. Okay, so I will pass the 5 as a command argument. So now whenever it is 5, so it will print the factorial of number. So here the factorial of number is 120. So this is about the how to find the factorial about the number using the command arguments. Okay, so I will pass 10. Will show the factorial number is 36. 36,28,800. So the factorial number, the factorial is 36,28,800. Okay, so this is about the factorial number. So I will repeat once again the command argument side to here. Okay, command argument is nothing but the arguments are passed at the time of the arguments which are passed at the time of the running program, and the factorial is here I have a number. The factorial 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 means the factorial 4 is here 24. Okay, so factorial 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, so this is about the factorial number. So there is logic how to find the factorial number. Just logic is s into s equal to s into I. Initially we need to assign the value 1 to s. Okay, so I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to I plus. So it will execute the operation until the condition become false. S will be dynamically changed until the condition become false. The calculation is initially s is 1. Okay, 1 into and initial value of I is 1. Okay, so 1 into 1 is stored in s, and okay, so here s value initially stored again. It will continue. Once I will be incremented, then s value of the s will be changed. It will continue until the become the condition false. Okay, so this is about the factorial of number. Stay home, stay safe.